Hello, City School. It's Mr. Huff. Today for art, I'm going to talk to you about 2D and 3D shapes. And I'm going to teach you how to draw a building that looks 3D. So you can start doing more art and drawing the city more. Okay, so this, as you probably know, we've talked about a little bit in art or STEAM, is a 3D shape. It has height, it has width, and it has depth. This is how deep it is. It goes from front to back is how deep it is. This is how high it is, how tall it is. And this is how wide it is. This shape takes up form, or sorry, this is solid. It takes up space. It has form. This, on the other hand, is a 2D shape. It's just a rectangle paper card. Okay, it is flat. It is two-dimensional. Two-dimensional, three-dimensional. So now I'm going to teach you how to draw a city building that looks three-dimensional. Here we go. Getting my easel. This is actually my grandmother's easel. So if you draw a 2D building, two-dimensional looking building, you would just be drawing something that looks flat. Okay. Here is a 2D city building. If you want to draw a three-dimensional looking city building, here's how you can do it. What you're going to do is draw one tall line down the middle of your paper. You want to go pick a point in the middle of your paper where you want the top of the building to be, and take it down to the bottom. Then you're going to make two lines on both sides that are the same height, parallel to the middle line, and they are going to represent the sides of the building. Then you're going to connect them at the top of the building. Okay. All right. So now we have drawn a building that looks like it's three-dimensional. We see one side of the building and another side. We see two sides of the building. If we were to go behind it, we would see the same view. We would see the other two sides of this cube-looking building with four sides. Now, I want to make windows in my building, but I want them going the same direction as the shape of the building. So I'm going to make sure that my lines for my windows are going the same direction as the lines for the top of the building, because the building is going back in space. This is the front, and as we look at this side, this is the back. So here are my windows. Okay, if I drew them like this, that would not show that we are looking, that this is the front and that this is the side going back into space. So we need to show they're going the same direction as the building. And our cue for doing that is this line up here. Okay. Okay, so that is how you can draw a city building. I would like you today to try to draw some city buildings for me. Use your sketchbook. You should have it with you. If not, you can doodle on a piece of paper and upload a photo of your work. You can make a city. You can make just a few buildings. You can make one building with lots of details. It's up to you. But try to make three-dimensional city buildings today. Give it your best shot. That's all I ask, is that you try. And I can't wait to see your work.